Welcome back to one of my videos. So we'll be doing division of algebraic fractions. So now we know that when we have two fractions and we're dividing, we normally keep the first fraction, change the sign, and then we flip the second fraction. So now let's go. So our first fraction here, we have p cube x over q r times. No, sorry, change the sign. Now I have to flip this. So it's gonna be p square r over p y. No, we did multiplication before, so I'm just gonna follow the same steps that we did in multiplication. So I'll multiply my numerator by my numerator. So I'm gonna have my p cube here, x times my p square r all over my q r times my p y. Now I'm going to expand them. So I'm going to have p times p times p times my x times, let me write x good, times p times p times r all over, we have q times r times p times y. Now we're going to go ahead and reduce. So we'll have p, taking another p down there. So we look, we don't have any more p at the denominator, so we just leave all the p. We go to the next letter, we don't have any x down in the denominator, we leave that. We go to the following letter, which is going to be an r. We have one here. So now we look at the amount of p's we have. So we have p, and it's going to be 4p, because it's going to be p raised to the 4th power. Remember, as I said, if you have a p, it is raised to 1. And when you're multiplying, then you have the same bases. You keep the base and add the powers. So it's going to be p raised to the 4th power. Then I have an x here. There is nothing else left there. We look at the bottom now. We have q, y. And that is it. We go to the next question now. So first thing we have to do is to write back our first fraction. Then we change the sign, and the opposite sign of division is multiplication. Then we have to flip our fraction. So it's going to be 7r squared divided by 6a cube. Now we're going to go ahead and expand. So we have 3 times a times b times over 7 times over r times over r all over 7 times r times s times 6 times a times a times a. Yes, somebody gonna say, oh, you skip a step. Yes. So you can write it the other way, or you can skip that step. That is fine. At least you're still showing some form of work, you know. We look at the numbers now. We have a 3 here. All right, so we have a 6, so we know something can go in both of them without leaving a remainder. So now we have 3 into itself goes 1, and 3 into 6 goes 2 times. Now we look at the other number, 7. So 7 into itself goes 1 time. Now we go to the letters. We see an a here and 1 here. We look to see if there's any more a in the numerator. There's no more, but there's some in the denominator. Now we look at b. We do not have any b in the denominator, so we have to leave that. We go to the r. We have r, so we take that. Now we're going to write our answer. What we have left on top is B, R. The denominator now, we have a number which is 2. Then we have what? We have A, so we have A square and S. So I write my letters in alphabetical order. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell for notification when I update videos. And also make sure you like, share and comment.